All right, now we're going to be going over the ad and keyword performance. So here, you just go to add performance. Make sure it's the right date. You just want to copy this visual over. Okay, so that's the visual, and now we want to export this data. And this is very important too. I like to sort this by cost as well. And this really helps you understand what search terms and keywords are coming up. I'd say this is the most important part of the report. Insane click-through rates. Absolutely bonkers. These click-through rates are bonkers. 2 weeks. This is the data they're giving us. This is what we can optimize on. Oh, these are really insane click-through rates just because of the single keyword group strategy. So now that you have this data here, you're going to want to go into the ad account performance checklist that I shared and click on RSA analysis flags. And you're going to take this overview data over here. You're just going to copy it and paste it into CTR keyword flags and paste it. Now we have this within here. We can share this in the report. Oops. I didn't do that. You're going to want to make a copy of this first. So you can just put dream firms and just put the date. Make a duplicate of that. And file. You want to share this. Copy it. Now put this in the keyword analysis. And this will have multiple tabs that you can use. And you can put your action items in here. So now we have the visual. We have the RSA analysis flags. Done. And this is sorted by cost. So essentially what this gives you, it gives you a great idea. And these are the steps over here as well of looking at the search keyword, the search terms. And you can see some stuff is much lower impressions, but look how expensive these clicks are. They're very expensive clicks, so it's very important that we're showing up. And here, there's some questions you can answer. Do the search term and keywords match? Do we sell this item or service? Is there already a keyword for this ad group? Look at the search term results. Like, are there a bunch of videos? Should we make content around something else? And then action items in the note taking and date completed. And this would be an Asana task that I'd want to see. So once you say, for example, okay, social media marketing for accountants, it's an exact one-to-one match. Great, that's perfect. The click-through rate is out of this world, but we're not getting conversions. So you'd say, oh, exactly. Do we already sell this? Yes. Is there an ad group? Yes, we're in it. You can see the ad group is called Social Media Marketing for Accountants. What do the SERPs look like? I don't know. Let's see. Social media marketing for accountants. Social media marketing, proven social media process. Dude, why are we at the bottom? So if we copy these link addresses and kind of just take a look, this is a pretty clean landing page. Really like this landing page. So I would even put in here, and part of the analysis, what do the SERPs look like? Put that in there. Notes and action item taken. Need to up update the landing page. Ads and CTR are out of this world. What else is on these SERPs? I kind of want to save this and put it somewhere as well. It's actually a decent reference. I want to put this in notes. Can I just put this in here? Yeah, can I just paste this somewhere? Um, I'm just gonna put that here. Yeah. And then action item completed, you check that off and you put a date here and maybe even at like sort of comment or something. Just put like at Ted. And you just at me or something. So this is basically kind of like the workflow of looking through these keywords. You can see the costs, marketing for CPAs, like all of these look great. All of these look amazing. Okay. So in the analysis, I would just say all all keywords are above 40% CTR. Need to look into landing page optimization. That's something I would just say off the bat. But yeah, this is a very important section. You can really dive into this. And this is just for our keyword, search term to keyword analysis. This isn't about responsive search ads right now, or I'll go into that next module.